Okay, so let's say you just go inside your car. This is a E550. I have a E550. So E350 would be same thing. E63 same thing. So I have a push start. Mine comes with a push start. If yours doesn't, then you would put your key in, and you would spin this once. I took this thing around off because I want to paint it. I want to paint it like probably gold or red. So you know, that's why it's off, but that shouldn't throw you off. Anyways, you either spin it, press it once. All right, now see, my light didn't go on, but it says next service. Well, this is B, I think, but yours might say A or whatever. But next, you have to get to the mileage stage. And if you're not at the mileage stage, it will not work. Yeah. Now you press the call button, and then you press OK and you hold it. You know, just call, OK, hold. Okay. Press and hold. I just pressed it and hold. There you go. See? Okay, yeah, you go to assist bus. Now you go to service date or full service. I go to full service and service to full service. I always do full service. You know, if you want to do it separately, but who does that? Full service? Full service carried out? Yes. Yes. Cannot be undone. We don't want it to be undone. It better not be undone. Confirm. Full service carried out. Because you change your oil and you feel good about your car. So, ladies and gentlemen, reset the light.